Okay, these are the hand creams. I'm in Marshall's. They have a little bit of gift sets in this new location. These are $5.99. I will tell you, I did buy one of the sprays, you guys. Like the vanilla coconut one. It doesn't last. I feel like it's a spray you spray on like after you take a shower to make you feel fresher. I don't know. But it doesn't last. It's like the hair and body spray. I don't recommend because it doesn't last, you know? I'm like, oh. $5.99. We have Ellen Tracy with our body shimmer oils. You can also find them like in a set. The Grinch, this is the like hair wrap and the eye mask. Everything here is like essential oils, so I'm just gonna pass on that. This is a hand cream set, goat milk, like stocking stuffers, office stuff, $5.99. The hot talk one cracks me up. There's Hello Kitty though. Okay, heated body wraps here. These are $8.99. This might work too. Again, these fun little monsters. I think they're so much fun. We got weighted snugs. I mean, they're weighted friends. We've seen the disco cherry one. I believe they're 20. 15. No, 15. Okay, 15. Like I just made a video on them. It's like a strawberry or beet down there. Frog prints. Hello Kitty pillows. We've seen these in the other video. They're here. Some are $35. There was a really nice set too. More right now is a lot of makeup brushes. So many makeup brushes. Again, $12.99. Just different packaging. I mean, $12.99, and you know what? Walmart's gonna come out with their Christmas stuff, and they're almost the same price. So I would just get what you want here. The baskets right here. These are $17. Oh, what is that? It's a vortex. Oh no! It's kind of funny. $25. A lot of hot brushes. I just wish they had bigger barrels though. The bigger ones. I would buy that. Okay, and everything behind me in this location, soap. A lot of soap. There's that Stitch one, the Grinch bag. It doesn't have like anything in there. I don't. Actually, it does. 15. Let's find out. It might be like wash bag set. Oh, so like soap, lotion. Something smells like cranberry, but one of these smells pretty good. Oh, here's another shimmer one, but look, it's in a set. By Pink Sky, we have coconut, lavender, vanilla. $10. Are they glass bottles? They are, but $10. Really heavy. I'm like, that is so heavy. So heavy. Don't drop on me, please. A lot of trees. These are cute. They are glass, so these are cute. Gotta be careful here. These are glass. These are $7. And then this one right here takes the shape. I don't know how well that works. But you know, we've seen these before. These are $5.99. $5.99. Looks like a heart shape. Plastic though. Okay, plenty of lounge fly bags. Most of the lounge fly bags, well, some are 40, some are 45. I think it depends. It depends. Wake up and makeup. Vince Camuto. Right now, if you're looking for a fancy makeup bag, like for traveling or for yourself, $12.99. They put out a lot of nice Vince Camuto ones, and I noticed only around the season because you know after Christmas ends, the stores are pretty dry. But I still filmed them. Juicy Couture here. Oh, it's kind of cute. It's like a little mini duffel bag. Let's see the price on that one. They're $15. $15. I used to hit up a lot at furniture stores, but I just haven't. But I'm gonna start. Snatcher. I don't know, 10. It's like cream blend. Okay. Oh gosh. $10. Eyeshadow. So we're getting to the eyeshadow. Let me push this back. Watch what I pull out. Oh, beauty blenders. Tons of beauty blenders. Beauty and Bloom. These are like scented what, nail polish? Yeah, I feel like this doesn't last. 15, these are roll-on. I mean, if I had a roll-on one, yeah. 15 bucks. Diamond baked highlighter. These are 5. My daughter was looking for highlighter. I think just buy the Verb. This one's cute too. Lip scrub. These are $7. Gotta go. Need to do some shopping. But homegirl has her own money. She has a job. But then I feel guilty that I'm making her. I am. I don't know why the heck I'm feeling guilty. Because her job is seasonal, so I want her to save her money. You know what I mean? Like, ugh. But she's been spending it on her little stuff. But I just want her to save it. And she has to find another seasonal one. Oh, look at these. Are cute. Makeup brushes. Pink. Rude. I got glow, bronzer, and blush. Makeup with attitude. Is this a spray? You know, we use the Urban Decay all-nighter, the matte one, you guys. But I don't know. Wow. Kiss and makeup. Look at this set. We're looking for beauty. That's cute. Cute packaging. $7. Can I open it? Oh, it has a mirror. Here's what it looks like. This could be a nice color. Should I get it? So we have Homecoming coming. I'm all like, oh, that's cute. Look at this Corpse Bride run. And I'm gonna look this up. This is Golden Egg highlighter. I need to look it up to see what it looks like. $5.99. And Corpse Bride. And look at this one, eyeshadow for $8. It moves. See it? I think there's 3 different scenes in there. $8. Milani Rose Butter. It's a lip mask. Blush Balm. This is Melon. This is $3.99. $3.99. We have contour. Okay, more makeup brushes. Can I scoop back? I can scoop back. Here's some more brats. Here's a girls' night out. They changed too. That is $12.99. That's pretty cool, right? Let me see. Okay, these are the heatless curls. Many options to choose from. They're $8. Many patterns. So this one doesn't have the blinged out one in a different location. They have the blinged out bottles. And we have shampoo, conditioner, color brightener. Oh, here's one. They're $8, so I found one. But yeah, it usually comes in a 2-pack. Hair roller set. I need to look for some hair cream. Anything new? My face. We got the butterflies. I was gonna call them bows. Or moss and stuff. And those are $17 by Tender Love and Carry. There's many options to choose from. More makeup bags. We have Juicy Couture and black. That's $8. This little fuzzy heart one is $8 as well. A little black bag, right? This is just all okay. My clearance department. Got the pink juicy one, which I think we did see in a previous video, but this one's gonna be new. This is $10. And look right here, we have more Loungefly, $39.99. What is this movie called? Zootopia?
Yeah.
Steve Madden, Michael Kors down here. This one is $130. $130. Steve Madden and at Lepore. Brahmin. Juicy. Carl is $59.99. $59.99. Kate Spade. I kind of figured this would be Kate Spade. A lot of Steve Madden right here. Steve Madden, Steve Madden. Guess. Oh, was that it? Here's this one. It's like different textures on it. Like a faux suede. $49.99. It's a large tote. Kate Spade again. Not sure how much, but Patricia Nash. Annette Laporte, True Religion. Michael Kors, suede on the side, like a leather suede, 120. DKNY, 50. Look at that. 50 bucks. Steve Madden again. I'm just like, Steve Madden again. Cursey Steve Madden, $29.99. You're everywhere. Some little small ones. We got the heart-shaped one, 25 bucks. 25 right here. It looks like a large duffel bag of Nightmare. There's like two different ones. There's the bat one, and this $40. $40. More Steve Madden. Oh, it's like a luggage one. I mean, it could be a gift. $70. $70. They also have it in pink. That's kind of cute. That is $29.99. Oh, here's a fuzzy Steve Madden one in black. This one is 25 bucks. A lot of Aldo. And then we have more of the gift sets, which we've been looking at already. These are 25. Pink. Of course, the mini juicy ones. Just want the wallet. The fuzzy one, these are 35. Has a little burl. They have a pink one and a mint one, which I think the mint one's gone because you rarely see this color. No price on this one, but you rarely find that one. Oh my god, look at the honey one. That is going to be $29.99. $59.99. What is that? Soda? It's like really heavy. What is in here? Can we open this? Is there Funkos in here? Is that Neverland or whatever? Yeah.
It's tied together because there's probably stuff in there, like you said.
$59.99. Limited edition. What do you get? Looks like maybe some type of Funkos, like Peter Pan Funkos maybe, because I'm like, that's really heavy. Oh, this one open? Nope, it's not open. I thought it was Nemo.
Yeah,
Fish are friends, not food. That's fine. It's a True Religion one. That's 28 bucks. But that was pretty cool. I'm like, normally they separate all that stuff. It's never like together. We got Hello Kitty down here, $35. But look at the card holder. That is kind of cute. It is blinged out like the red. And they also have it in black. Mickey, Minnie in here, 35. Snoopy, 35. And then these are just more Juicy Couture's. Guess, Calvin Klein's, blinged out bags, which, you know, I find fascinating. Over here, a lot of traveling. Most of them are Hello Kitty though. Look at all this Hello Kitty stuff they have. They're all $79. Here's a Jack passport holder. That's $8.99. The stars, 10. The hamburger purse. You guys, somebody buy me this. I don't need it. $8. I see the hamburger purse all the time. Okay. I don't see anything new in the shoe department happening right now, but $29.99. This is by XOXO. Okay, plenty of pajama pants to get your couple on here. Look at Peter Griffin. Oh my gosh.
Did you want the two?
Peter Griffin, Pac-Man, The Grinch, Cookie Monster, and most of these are $12.99. Some kind of cost a little more, I think. I like these Nautica ones though. They're really nice. Those are cute. Okay, they're bringing out some stuff. Just gonna go around. What do we have here? I'm on Santa's list. Oh, look at this coat. Got glitter in my nose. 25 bucks. 25 bucks. Oh, here's the fuzzy ones, which we did see. These Ed Hardys, they could be cute, but I wish they weren't like crop, because my daughter was complaining about that too. 20 bucks. Some dresses, wide leg sweatpants. These are here too. And I believe this one's going to be Stitch. Stitch. Okay, here's all like their fun stuff. You know, they do all this underwear, Ninja Turtle stuff. What is that? Oh, they're little figures. Okay. The Nightmare Tree, puzzles. A lot of Pennywise here though. And Beetlejuice. Okay, did you guys like the Beetlejuice movie, or am I just being a hater? I feel like some parts didn't have to be in it. Like the shark, what is his name?
No, Jeffrey Jones getting eaten by a shark.
Yeah.
They may as well just had him in it. I mean, if they're so worried about him being a criminal, half of Hollywood's a criminal too. Same thing.
Disney had a collab with ASU.
I didn't like the claymation part though. I thought
Yeah, the claymation I didn't care for
they
either.
could have CGI'd him.
Oh, look at this,
I
babe.
didn't want there.
Snow globe. 15 bucks. I don't think I've ever seen a snow globe.
But there was some stuff he had that didn't even belong in there.
$29.99.
His wife, she was pointless.
She's
kinda walked
well.
around
I
killing
think there's
people.
just more room to make a video.
That's all a sequel.
Yeah. Timberland one. These are 15. The penguin ones are actually really nice too. And these are just all a men scents that we have for your mom. Okay, in the men department we have self-care club. A lot of these self-care clubs are 10 bucks. NASCAR. Oh, here's the Toad and Frog. These are 10. Daytona, Micah Myers. It's Halloween. I don't think I've seen this one. I don't have this one. Is that the back? Oh, that's the back of it. Okay. More toads, like a dark green one. We must stop eating. It's kind of funny, actually. What's this one? Oh, Horrorland. Is that in the back? See, I like that. If they made a sweater like this, I would wear it because the front is just tiny and the back has all the stuff. That's just, I like more graphic in the back of my hoodies in the front. Frog and Toad. I feel like there's a lot of Frog and Toad right now. Good vibes. Hey, I saw this for 8 bucks. Is it still 8 bucks? 10. Okay, 20 bucks. This is by Rachel Zoe. A lot of silky tops. A zipper. Wish it was like an all button up one. I saw a really nice white one. Let's see if I can find it again. 20. I should have grabbed it. Remember that nice white one? It was a nice white blouse. This is a 20 bucks right here, Rachel Zoe. We got your sequins in the house. I'm probably not gonna find that again. This is Nicole Miller, that's 20. Okay, here's some different ones to choose from. And this is 40, it's really nice. And I kind of like this color here. So we gotta find the right pair of pants though to match it. Alright, there's a lot of clearance on dresses. We did see these dresses before, these like velvet velour ones, same bodysuits, which are so pretty. We've seen these juicy sport bras too. I don't see anything new in the slippers here, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video in this location. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys, on the walkthrough. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Okay, these are the towels. These are like 8 bucks. Dear Santa. That's a cute one. Dear Santa, please make sure I get my school scholarship. Right? $25, 17, $29.99.